most students take their ACT in their junior or senior year of high school. So, our recommendation is to start prepping for the ACT in your sophomore year. So, you give yourself enough time to be fully prepared by the time you get to the junior year. The content on the ACT, especially for the math, goes up to Algebra 2 and Geometry, a little bit of trick. So most students, by the time they are a sophomore in high school, they cover most of the material. We recommend taking 15 to 20 minutes a day to start studying for the ACT in the sophomore year, and also start taking full-length practice tests to get familiar with the format of the test. You can find a lot of free material for the ACT, study material and full-length practice tests on ACT.org, the official website of the ACT.